Samsung unveiled Galaxy Z Fold 4. The company's part tablet part smartphone Fold line is making good on its promise to become a multitasking powerhouse. Samsung teased on Wednesday the new Galaxy Z Fold 4, the first device to ship with Android 12L, a special version of Android created by Google for large screen experiences, including foldables. The device allows users to switch full-screen apps to pop-up windows or split screens in half. Users could also read email on one side of the screen and edit a presentation on the other side. For example, they could also run multiple apps at one time. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 also includes new swiping gestures and a touch bar in a layout that's similar to a PC. Moreover, it features an interactive cover screen, narrower bezels, and is lighter and slimmer. It also works with Samsung's S Pen sold separately. The Folds received a camera system upgrade too, with a new 50-megapixel wide camera lens, a 30x space zoom lens, and a handful of photo features, including the ability to take clear images at night. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 starts at $1,799.99 and comes in grey, green, beige, and black. It's also available in burgundy for the 256GB and 512GB models. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.